Every time you do this, your fat loss stops completely, and you have no idea you are even doing it. You've been trying. You wake up early, you go to the gym, you sweat, you come home tired, you eat less, you skip your favorite food, you say no to pizza, you say no to burgers, you say no to everything you love. And then you step on the scale. Nothing, not a single pound gone. And that moment, that one moment, breaks something inside you. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not meant to be fit. Maybe this is just how my body is. Maybe I should just give up. But here's the truth nobody told you. You are not failing. The information you were given is failing you. Let me explain. The number one reason you are not losing weight is that you think eating less is enough. You cut your food in half. You starve yourself. You think the less you eat, the more you lose. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. When you eat too little, your body gets scared. It thinks you are in danger. It thinks food is gone. So what does it do? It slows everything down. Your metabolism drops. Your body starts holding on to every single calorie like its life depends on it. Because in your body's mind, it does. You are not losing weight because your body is protecting itself from you. So the first fix, stop starving yourself. Eat enough. Eat real food. Give your body the signal that food is available and it is safe to burn fat. Now the second reason, you are doing too much cardio. I know what you were told. Run more, walk more, cardio, cardio, cardio. And yes, cardio burns calories, but here is what nobody tells you. If all you do is cardio and you never lift weights, you lose muscle along with fat. And muscle is your best friend when it comes to losing weight. Because muscle burns calories even when you are doing nothing, even when you are sleeping, even when you are just sitting and watching TV. Less muscle means slower metabolism. Slower metabolism means weight loss stops. So the second fix, start lifting weights. Not to get big, not to look like a bodybuilder, just to keep your muscle alive so your body keeps burning fat around the clock. Third reason, and this one is going to hit different. You are not sleeping enough. You think sleep is just rest. You think it has nothing to do with weight loss. But science says something very different. When you don't sleep enough, a hormone called ghrelin goes up. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone. It makes you crave food. It makes you crave sugar. It makes you crave everything bad. And at the same time, another hormone called leptin goes down. Leptin is the hormone that tells your brain, hey, we are full, stop eating. So when you don't sleep, you are hungrier, you crave more junk, and your brain never gets the signal to stop eating. You are fighting your own hormones, and you will lose that fight every single time. The fix, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Not 6, not 5, 7 to 8. This one change alone can transform your weight loss journey. Fourth reason, stress. You are stressed. About work, about money, about relationships, about life. And stress releases a hormone called cortisol. And cortisol tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. So the harder your life gets, the more stress you carry, the more fat your body holds on to. It's a cruel cycle. You stress about your weight. That stress makes you hold more weight, which makes you stress more. The fix. Find something that brings your stress down. A walk outside, deep breathing, music, prayer, whatever works for you. Because managing stress is not just mental health, it is physical health. It is weight loss. And the fifth reason, the one that ties everything together. You are not being consistent. You are being perfect. There is a difference. You go hard for 2 weeks. You eat clean. You train every day. And then one bad day comes. You eat one slice of cake at a birthday party, and you think, I ruined everything. So you quit, and you start again next Monday, and the cycle repeats. Progress does not come from being perfect. Progress comes from being consistent even when you are not perfect. One bad meal does not destroy your progress, just like one good meal does not create it. It is what you do most of the time that defines your results. So here is the summary. Stop starving yourself. Eat enough real food. Add weight training. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Manage your stress. And stop quitting after one bad day. You are not broken. Your body is not broken. You just needed the right information, and now you have it. So the only question left is, what are you going to do with it? The scale does not define you, but your decision right now just might.